Bissell Crosswave multi-purpose floor cleaner, a vacuum cleaner all in one. It is designed for hard floors and rugs, area rugs. You get your button here for your hardwood floor, and your button here for your rug. Rollers are very easy to change. You just pop off the cover and pull it out. This is your hardwood floor roller and your area rug roller. Just pop it back in. Put your cover back on. Okay, it also comes with storage tray, a cleaner tray in one. And you get your holder here for your brushes, which you wash and dry, hand wash. Dirty water tank has a filter for your vacuum, which comes off. And your filter can be hand washed and if it's dry for 24 hours. A clean water tank from the back here, just hollows up. And it has marking for small area and a large area. Just use warm tap water and it's tells you how much formula to put in. We've got a good team machine, it's got a quick release cord team. We have the bottom one in it. And now, as you can see, we got a bit of dirt on the floor. We're going to try her out. As you can see, difference in the floor. This part here is clean, and this part we just left alone. You see the difference.
Yeah.
Great little machine. I highly recommend it.